when faced with thick, intricately textured denim fabrics. The AI Fabric Inspection Machine employs high-definition industrial cameras powered by cutting-edge deep learning algorithms. Whether it's a tiny flaw or a complex defect, AI can accurately identify and pinpoint it during high-speed operation. Woven fabrics feature a dense structure, placing exceptionally high demands on inspection precision. The AI Fabric Inspection Machine boasts a comprehensively upgraded level of accuracy, reaching up to 90%. Equipped with high-definition industrial cameras, paired with a patented lighting system, it effortlessly detects fabric defects. Inspection speeds for woven fabrics can reach a maximum of 80 meters per minute. Stable, efficient, and capable of continuous, round-the-clock operation. Knitted fabrics are highly elastic and prone to deformation. Our AI Fabric Inspection Machine, paired with a precision tension control system, ensures the fabric remains perfectly flat and free from curled edges. Intelligent AI algorithms have been deeply optimized to specifically address the unique characteristics of knitted fabrics, effortlessly detecting and identifying a wide range of complex defects. The system will automatically generate a defect map and report for you. Fabric defects are visible at a glance, and inspection data is traceable in real time. Reports support one-click export in various formats, including Excel and PDF, and integrate seamlessly with ERP or ME systems, empowering you to effortlessly achieve digital management and fully step into the new era of intelligent manufacturing.